Hello everyone, this is Daniel Yosko from Main Hosting Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress via cPanel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to mainhost.com, any page on our website at the top right, click Login, enter your admin email address for your account and your password. If you forgot your password, simply click the Forgot Password link and enter your email address, and we will email you a forgot password link. So first thing I'm going to do is confirm my password here. So this brings you to the client area for your account. You'll see in my client area I have a bunch of services from my private account here. So we're going to click on the services icon. This brings you to a list of any of the hosting packages that you have attached to your account. So you'll see I have a bunch here, but I have a test account down here that we're going to use right here. This A1 test account. So you can click anywhere in this blue bar, click the active button over here. So we click this. This is going to bring us to the admin kind of page for that specific hosting account. We're going to want to log into cPanel. That's where we install WordPress. So we click the login to cPanel. So now we're in cPanel. You can manage all the aspects of your hosting account here. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Softaculous Apps Installer, and you'll see WordPress listed right here. I'm going to click on WordPress. This brings you right to the WordPress information for your account. So under Install, we're going to click this little button. We're going to do a custom installation. So here, this domain name I don't actually have attached to the account. But if your domain name is already resolving to us, you can use your domain name. But I'm going to use the IP address in my username for the account here. As well is if you already have your website hosted with us and you want to install WordPress to build a new website, what we typically do is we create a new directory here. So I would call this new site. So that will be, it would be yourdomainname.com/new site. That allows you to build your new website in a test environment, and when you're ready to go live, you can just email our support department and we can help you and assist you in getting that website live. So, but like I said, I'm going to use the IP address because this would be as well as if my domain was pointed to another hosting service and I was building a new website at Main Hosting Solutions. So here, we can name our website and tutorial. So we scroll down, we add a site name, add a site description. You can enable multi-site. This allows you to host multiple little websites under one mothership. I suggest that you Google WordPress multi-site if you're interested in that. But this tutorial is just for installing a single user WordPress account. So here we're going to install a admin username and password. Typically the admin username is your email address. And we'll put a password in here. We also, I'm sorry. Actually up here, you can just put Daniel, not the email address. It's down here where we put the email address. Daniel@mainhost.com. Okay, so your login will be Daniel, or my login will be Daniel, this ASDF password. You can also log in via your email address and that same password. So if we scroll down, we recommend that you leave this checked, the limit login attempts. This prevents hackers from trying to brute force attack your website. All of this stuff can be added later via the plugin installer. You can also quickly choose a theme here. There are thousands and thousands of themes to choose from. As well, if we scroll down to the bottom, email installation details here. So we type our email address in here and click install. And it's as simple as that. So you get the software installation completed screen where you'll see a link right here to the WordPress installation as well as the admin login URL. So if we click this link here, here's your WordPress blog installed. This is the stock theme that WordPress comes with. If we go back here, here's the admin URL login. Automatically logs me right into WordPress where we can manage all kinds of things. Most importantly, you can go to themes here and add new, and there's, like I said, there's just thousands of themes here. You can search by genre and so forth. So that's it. Now you have a WordPress installation. Also be sure to check your email address because you would have received all of your login information to be saved in that email. All right, have a great day.